Today we're gonna make one of my favorite desserts, a French little plum cake called Madeleines. To make our Madeleine, we need one important piece of equipment, the Madeleine mold. If you do not have a Madeleine mold, you cannot make Madeleines. First, I'm gonna start to brown the butter in the pan, bring it to a bowl, and then I'm gonna pour it into the bowl. Let the butter cool down for about 10 minutes. Next, I'm gonna mix together flour, baking powder, and salt. Put sugar into the melted butter and whisk it. Add the egg one by one. And I whisk a lot because I want to incorporate into the mixture a lot of air. And for flavor, we're gonna add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 tablespoons of bourbon. Bourbon is a very nice addition. It combines very well with brown butter. Now I'm gonna add the flour and leavening agent. First half, I mix it. And then the second part. As you can see now, my Madeleine mix, it's quite thick. I'm gonna wrap it and chill it for at least an hour. Now my batter has chilled and I put it in a piping bag. So the best piping technique is to apply constant pressure on your bag. Start from the bottom. You see, I never stop piping to the top and do a quick getaway so you have a clean cut. So I'm taking the Madeleine out of the oven and I'm gonna let them rest for a few minutes. Meanwhile, I'm gonna work on the glaze. I'm gonna mix together the icing sugar, 2 tablespoons of brown butter, half teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of bourbon. Mix it. So I'm looking for a very creamy texture. Right now the Madeleines are still warm, so I'm gonna gently flip them over. And as you can see, there is the little hump, a shape unique to Madeleines. If you don't have the hump, if you don't have the design of a seashell, it's not a Madeleine. So now I'm gonna glaze a Madeleine, and I won't glaze the hump, I glaze the other side. And the aromas of vanilla and bourbon mixed with the brown butter scent. I'm gonna have to taste it right now, I just can't wait. So good, perfect Madeleines.